Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to deploy Google AI Studio app on Netlify. First, start by creating your app in Google AI Studio. Make sure you have designed and tested your app so that it works as expected. Once your app is ready, you need to save it or export the code. You can do this by click on Save to GitHub and logging into your GitHub account. After your app is on GitHub, log into your Netlify account. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free. In the Netlify dashboard, click on Add a new project. Then, choose Import an existing project, then select GitHub as your Git provider and connect your account. Netlify will request permission to access your repositories. Once connected, select the repository where your Google AI Studio app is saved. Next, Netlify will ask for build settings. Click Deploy and Netlify will start the deployment process. It will build your project if needed and then publish it to a live URL. You can see your site in the dashboard once the deployment is complete. You can also rename the default URL or link a custom domain if desired. Thanks for watching.